We're in the hallways of Metropolitan Towers. It's a 112-unit apartment complex right across from the Mall of America in Bloomington, Minnesota. We're under contract in the Secure Freedom Fund, and we're doing our due diligence walkthroughs, checking on the condition of the mechanical areas, walking every common area, stairwell, hallway, and just checking on everything, making sure it is what we expect it to be, and also planning the improvements that we'll make starting day one when we close on the purchase of this community. So one of the most important things we do is we improve lighting, particularly in common areas. And I would say that this building has pretty typical lighting for the common areas of an apartment building. Here you can see we've got two 4-foot fluorescent tubes, ballasted fluorescent tubes. You know, these are top of the line light fixtures from say 1980 or something in that territory. It could probably cost us as much as $100 per year to operate this light fixture 24/7. It's very old lighting technology. Modern LED panels use a fraction of the electricity, and so we're going to replace this and every single light fixture in every single hallway with modern LED lighting. This also is a huge peeve of mine. So you can see that the color temperature on this bulb right here is quite a bit cooler than the color temperature on this bulb. It does not match any other bulb. You get a nice rainbow effect as you're walking down the hall, seeing the different color temperatures. Again, we're going to be able to fix all that. We install high efficiency, ultra bright, color temperature selectable LED panels in pretty much all of our apartment buildings, and it's not terribly expensive. We buy them, hundreds at a time, and it costs us about $40 per fixture to replace this entire thing with a brand new crisp LED light panel. My favorite thing though is laundry rooms. So this is a high touch area in any apartment building. Let's take a look at one of these laundry rooms. Nothing says welcome like a slowly flickering, a slowly flickering fluorescent light and a noisy exhaust fan. So we're going to put in a motion activated switch, so you never have to mess around with your light switch in your laundry room, but it's also not running most of the time. We're going to put in an LED light panel so you get crisp, uniform color temperature, non-flickering light that's instant on, and then we're going to lubricate that exhaust fan. I mean, this just is firing on all cylinders. It's like a little bit of a horror movie laundry room. And then we're just going to bring in some decor. So most apartment building laundry rooms, when we buy them, they've got your rules and regulations for your laundry room, all the things you can't do. And we get rid of those signs like, don't be a jerk. People know what they are or are not supposed to do with a laundry machine. And we just put in some fun pieces of art, wash day. Sometimes we put in some encouraging language. If someone's going to be staring at something many hours per month for several years of living with us, like maybe it should be a message of encouragement of some form or another. And none of these things cost a lot of money or take a long time. And when we purchase an apartment community, we can come in and just make a huge impactful difference that people notice within weeks of us taking over. So just a brief insight into some of the changes we're going to make here at Metropolitan Towers.